guys, it's me. Now we're in a military base. Look at that jetwing. Look at that, guys. Guys, that's a jetwing. Real jetwing. Iyan, Philippine flag. Ang Filipino. Let's make it a boat. Who needs a boat? And on land. Okay, look at the turret now. Okay, they have multiple turrets. Bro, stick with me. We're the military experts. Experts? Military experts? Let's take a video. Hello guys, what's up? What's up? There's a military base. We're at the military base. Let's go. The boat. Yeah.
Para pulis ka na. Gusto mo? Kuha ka isa para maging sundalo.
The 418.
Daddy!
418. The M418. The M418. A boat. Ano yung weapons na ito eh? Probably carrier.
Oh, jet.
Ay, ito yan. Yung blue. Yung blue. Hey, what do you want?
Gri alada ka tito sundalo.
What do you want? Yeah, the. I want the airplane. Here, follow me. I found the coolest. The coolest thing is this. Ah!
Bidin ka.
Daddy, yung hat mo. Bro, it's raining now. I think it's raining tapos. There's some military. Oh, look, there's a turret. A tank! Another na tank! Nagbatit! Nagbatit yung ano na So, there's a carrier ship. There's a there's a shark in the So the blue ones, the carriers with the turret, that tank, and that. Another na tank! Chrysler! There's a tank! Right, we have another tank. Wait, look, you can actually look inside. Let's go. Let's go to Chrysler. Let's go. Alright guys.
Mag-vlog ka?
Chrysler! It's like I am in the military. Fire!
Jenny, bisa.
Chrysler! Let's go! Chrysler! Let's go! Big man. Hold on, guys.
Ay, jebakan. Daw din eh.
No?
Katutan eh.
Siap.
Awan ang kalma di. Anak ko. Ano malam din ako. Baka matagdasan yaw, may pulong yaw. Ano lagi? Ang pepe sumot dito eh. Balat 38, bala na. Ha? Balat 38. World War II ba?
Probably World War I.
Balat 38 ka naman. 22 na.
Oh! I'm expecting this. Where's Chrysler? Where's Chrysler?
Ako kal kalbito na.
Where's Chrysler? Bro!
Oh, pasulagan siya. Yun, nakita tayo. Kahit mo pa na sa kanya eh. Tak na mabait sa bro. Teka lang daan.
Ano ba dito?
Ano mabait sa bro?
Okay, guys. Guys, bye.